Alright guys, so I ordered an upper receiver from Primary Arms. It's their Radical upper receiver, and I just got it. And I opened the outside box, and here it is. There's nothing really on the outside. No words or pictures or anything on the box. It's just a plain box. And let me see if I can figure out how to open it. I've been waiting for this thing and I'm excited now. Let me see. Oh, I see. Some tape right there. Let's get this open. Man, I can hardly wait. It'd be easier if I had a stand for my phone. There we go. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Yeah, it's wrapped in plastic. Let's get this puppy opened up. And actually, probably has oil on it. I don't want to get it all over my bed. So, let's actually put it in the box. Oh man. Oh man, that thing is nice. It's got that storage grease on it. But it feels amazing. Man, look at that thing. That thing is so awesome. And check this out, guys. I bought this one, not just because it's inexpensive, but I bought it because it's got the rails on it so that I can add any kind of accessories that I want. On the top, I can mount a scope on it. On the sides, I'm probably going to mount a light. On the lower section, I'll probably do a foregrip and a bipod. So this is the beginning of my build. So, and actually, yeah, it did not come with a bolt carrier group, which is fine by me, because as you guys know, I ordered that nickel boron bolt carrier group. So I'm just gonna slide that bolt carrier group in here and put the Anderson Arms lower receiver on it, and we'll be good to go. The next video I'll do is an assembly of all that stuff, and maybe a video at the range to see how this receiver performs. And yeah, there she is. And that's it, guys. I'll make another video soon of the assembly.